what's up? If you're watching me today, what's up? Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video with your girl Gemini. Guys, so today I'm here. We're at this park, me and the kids, and I know you guys can hear the horns. It's like a monster truck or like a truck event. So we're here. You know, my son really loves cars and trucks. So, you know, we're here. He wants to be a race car driver. So I bought them to just experience these big old trucks and stuff. Guys, so crazy because we parked all the way back there. And we gotta walk all the way over here. Let me show you guys. We're nowhere near there, but it's fine. We need to walk anyway, y'all. So, also, yeah, my children's pointing out the dog park, guys. I like this park. There's actually so much going on out here. They have a football game going on over there, baseball game over there, dog park in front of us. That's not a basketball game. They're just playing basketball, guys. So I'll see you guys once we get over there, once we actually find where we're going, because I can kind of see it. But yeah, it is. So I'll come back, guys, once we find it. Alright guys, so we made it. So as you guys can see, the first thing they did was we stopped at the spinner, but we're over here. We're headed to the truck. Yes, we're headed. So yeah, so he spotted a truck. He would like to try to get in.
Can I get in too?
He's gonna get on one of those, guys, but that line is long right now. So I'm letting him explore the smaller items. So they're in the CERT, the Community Emergency Response Team. They're part of the firefighter department. Guys, it's so hot out here. Like I said, guys, it's so hot out here. We ended up taking a slushy splash hot dog break, as y'all can see. Each of the kids have their own slushies. So y'all listen, it's so hot. So I'll see y'all when we're done. Just finished our little slushies. We are continuing our journey, and we are headed back to the trucks, the different trucks. This line is a little short. He wanted to try this one, and yeah, let's see what the line look like at the bus. So we're gonna try this one. They want to try that one over there, that one. They want to try the police one. We're gonna go to the various trucks they have, and then they even want to get on those over there. So that's where we're headed now. decided to leave. Actually, the kids decided. They said it was a little too hot out here. So we decided to just go ahead and leave. So I'm sorry that I didn't get you guys a lot of footage. Like I said, y'all, it was too hot out here, guys, and about to end anyway in about 30 minutes. So we're just headed back to the car now. So with that being said, if you like this video and you want to see more with your girl Gemini, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and tap that notification bell, y'all, so you will always, and I mean always, be updated when I upload a video. Peace out.